In today's throwback video, we're taking you back a few years ago when we visited Cannon Beach. Cash was just 3 years old, and we had a blast exploring around. Cannon Beach is best known for the Goonies Rock, the big rock that stands within the ocean. It's actually called the Haystack Rock. Cannon Beach is located in northwestern Oregon in the United States of America. I love going back and looking at my old footage and editing it. It's crazy to see how fast time has went by. Cash made a bunch of new friends that were seagulls. I hope this video can help be some inspiration for you all to get out and explore more, even if you have little ones, because the memories are totally worth it. The Goonies Rock wasn't the only awesome rock around the ocean. There are many other rock structures all over. The water was pretty chilly, but there were some cool tidal pools out there, and we got to see a bunch of starfish.
That's what happened. It's okay, you like the water with the pool. I'm sorry, here, give it kisses. Mwah. Can you say awesome? You're sweet boy. I'm sorry you got one.
Overall, we had an awesome time exploring Cannon Beach, seeing the Goonies Rock, seeing some starfish, and just hanging out. If you like this video, please hit that like button down below. If you want to see more travel videos, hit the subscribe button. We post multiple videos every week. We'd love to hear if you've ever been to Cannon Beach and seen the Goonies Rock. We'd love to hear what you thought of it. We'd also love to hear what your favorite beach is that you've ever visited. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next trip.